In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with the Target affiliate program. Now, this video is a part of a weekly Friday series where we take a look at different affiliate programs. If you want me to take a look at a affiliate program that you're interested in, just comment or reply down below and I'll help you out. And if you want to know how you can earn a full-time income online without a huge following on social media, spending a dime on paid ads, or even having a large mailing list, wait until the end of this video because I've got something special for you. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, we are going to take a look at the Target affiliate program. We're going to take a look at the commission structure because that's really important, the best ways to promote it, and how you can start making money, and a little bit of a gotcha that not a lot of people are talking about. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The Target affiliate program will pay their affiliates up to 8% commission. Now, this is important. So what you can do is you can go to partners.target.com or type in or search Target affiliate program, and it'll bring you to this page. Okay. And as you can see, it says it will pay you up to 8% commission. Now, again, there's a little gotcha there that not a lot of people talk about, and we're going to talk about that in just a moment. Now, Target is a part of the Impact Radius affiliate network. An affiliate network is the middleman between the affiliate marketer and the actual affiliate program. In this instance, it's Target. And so what you'll need to do is apply to join impact.com, which is free. Once you're accepted, you'll have to apply to Target. So I'm here at the sign up screen for Target. Now let's take a look at the commission structure, because this is important. While it says that you can earn up to 8% commission, there are different tiers, and those tiers are based on the amount of sales that you earn every single month. And so most people obviously are going to start off at the first tier. And on the first tier, you can see the commission's actually like 3%, 6% for apparel and accessories, 1% for health and beauty, which actually doesn't change. And so what you will need to do to earn up to that 8% is you will actually need to have over 10,000 sales or 10,000 actions, as it says here, every single month. So be aware when you are looking at this affiliate program, but let's take a look at some of the best ways to promote it. Now, the best ways to get started with the Target affiliate program is to look at the best payout. So we can see here, home and outdoor living, they will pay you a 6%. It says 5% of item sales, so you can earn 5% commission there. 1% of item apparel and accessories, 3%. So what we can do, I personally like the baby niche, but we would probably, what would be best for us would actually be looking at either home and outdoor living or apparel and accessories. So that's what we're going to take a look at today. And then when you click on apparel and accessories, you can take a look and see what actually qualifies for apparel and accessories. So women's tops, dresses, denim, sweaters, women's knits, sleepwear, and things of that nature. Now, again, this is important so that you can actually earn commissions and you're not just promoting just to promote and push their products. But you can see basically clothing and apparel, that's the best way to go when it comes to earning commissions with Amazon. You can see here, toddler, cold weather. What you can do is head on over to Target, go to target.com like this, and we can just get an idea of the types of content that they're creating. Now, I'm going to talk about primarily TikTok and YouTube, but you can do the exact same thing with a blog, with Instagram, with LinkedIn, whatever it may be. And so what we can do is we can take a look at the different categories. So we can look at clothing, shoes, and accessory, and then we can do women's clothing, for example. And then these are all the different sub niches that we could get into. One thing that we could take a look at is dresses, for example, and we can actually start here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop on over to YouTube like this, and we can just search around, think about things that women that are interested in dresses, think about the types of content that they're going to be interested in. For example, we could do something like Target try on haul. That gets a bunch of searches. But if we look at this, and this is what's interesting, people are not only looking at Target try on hauls, but they're looking at the different seasons. So fall, spring, there's actually bikini in there as well, swimsuit. But if we look at Target try on haul fall 2022, you can see there's lots of searches, 11,000 views from just 10 days ago. 56,000 views from 1 month ago, 1.9 thousand views from 2 months ago. And what's interesting is that third view here only has 979 subscribers, so not a huge channel. So that lets you know that anybody can start doing this, and that's one way. Another thing that we can do is we could do something like best dresses under, and if we look at this, best dresses under a dollar amount, we can come back over here to Target, take a look at the different dresses. So they've got dresses that range between, it looks like $10 and $35. So we can do best dresses under 50 bucks like this. And once again, you're going to see lots of opportunity. 44,000 views, 124,000 views. They have 3.1 million subscribers, 17,000 subscribers. Look at this third or fourth one, 90 views from 3 weeks ago, 378 subscribers. So you could actually put together a list of the best dresses. Now this says Walmart, which isn't relevant, but you can see here. Another thing that you can do is you could simply just, let's grab this product right here, and we can actually copy the name of this product, and then we can paste it right into our search bar, hit enter, and you're going to see once again that people are actually looking up these individual dresses. Look at this one, Target Fall Haul, 390 views, 1.6 thousand subscribers, and you're just creating content for people that are already interested. 114 views, 23 subscribers. These are shorts, and you can actually create TikTok or YouTube shorts and get traffic and make money that way. There is tons of opportunity. What I would do is I'd come back over here. We can look at women's clothing again. I would recommend that you pick a niche, whether you're doing plus size, you're doing whatever it is. You can do fall attire, spring, whatever it is, and you can be successful. So if we just click on like shop the collection here, we're going to look at these different collections, Sergio Hudson, and we can actually provide reviews and provide information. So we're going to copy this once again, and we can paste that in. But look at this, Sergio Hudson Target collection. People want to know how this fits and feels. 4.7 thousand views from 10 days ago, 551 subscribers, 1.1 thousand views, 225 subscribers. So you can see teeny tiny channels are showing up for Sergio Hudson Target. One of the biggest misconceptions, and one of the things that people tell me all the time, is you need to be this huge mega super channel in order to start getting traffic. That answer and that view is false, because the first 5 videos here, all of these people have less than 10,000 subscribers, and they're getting a substantial amount of views. You just have to figure out what your target audience wants, and they want to know about Sergio Hudson. They want to know about the Sergio Hudson maybe jacket. So we do Sergio Hudson, we'll delete this, and then we could do Sergio Hudson, let's do jacket. And the great thing about this is I actually have no concept of fashion whatsoever. And so if I'm able to find opportunity with no sense of fashion, you can look at me, I wear a Nike shirt all the time. If I'm able to find opportunity with no sense of fashion and style, you could do this too. So look at this, 594 views from 9 days ago, 1,000 subscribers. The one below it, 3.6 thousand views. It's a short. The one below that, 1.5 thousand views, 2,076 subscribers. Literally anybody can do this. You want to pick a niche that is going to pay you, of course, and then you want to figure out what your target audience wants to know. Again, we can click on this product. It can be a product that you've purchased. It doesn't have to be, but if we copy this like this, and we paste it right over into YouTube, hit enter, and you're going to see, once again, people are looking this stuff up all day and night because they want to know how it fits. They want to know what it looks like. You put your affiliate links in the description and you can make money. Look at this, shop the looks here. This is probably an affiliate link of some sort. Another thing we can do is go back over to Target. Let's look at, let's go ways to shop. We're going to go back up to women's, but like I said, you can do this with baby, you can do this with anything. We can think about, maybe best sleeveless dresses for work. And then you could actually put together a list of the best sleeveless dresses for work. Look at this, 506 views, 39 subscribers. You put together a list based on what people want to know. People are also going to go to Google and they're going to say, what is casual wear? What is casual wear or casual dress? Look at this. What is casual dress? What is casual dating? What is casual cocktail attire? We could create a video over here on YouTube or TikTok. What is casual dress? Let's do, what is casual attire? Hit enter. We actually provide a few examples, and then we can put our affiliate links in the description. Say, hey, look, if you want to pick up these clothing items, you could refer them over. What I'd recommend too is actually look at collecting their emails for email marketing. But you can see channels of all sizes. Look at this one, 1.8 thousand views, 19 subscribers. You can do this. Literally anybody can do this. Like I said, if I can just do a little bit of searching and think about what the target audience wants and needs, you can do this, especially if you have a fashion background or fashion sense. If we were to look at baby, because I always like that niche, because I think that niche is evergreen, more evergreen than clothing and fashion. We can look at car seats. Car seats are really expensive, and it's stuff that everybody needs. In fact, not only do you need a car seat, you need car seats at every level. Your infant needs a car seat. Then when they turn like a certain weight, they need additional car seats, and it just goes on and on and on. But there are always going to be brand new mothers and parents out there that have no idea which car seat they need, and they have no idea how this works. So what we can do is we can copy this and paste it right into YouTube like this, and we can hit enter, and you're going to see a lot of people are searching and they want to learn more about these car seats. This one, 49,000 views, 19,000 subscribers. 41,000 views, again, 19,000 subscribers. Look at this one, 6.5 thousand views from 9 months ago, 3,000 subscribers. So you can create content like which car seat to buy for a newborn. People will spend tons of money in this space because they want to take care of their kids. Most people, I should say. 86,000 views, 8,000 subscribers about car seats. You provide, what you do is you talk about, this is an 8-minute video. You talk about the different car seats that they need, and then you put links for each car seat in the description of your video, and you can make money. Again, what I recommend that you do is actually email marketing, especially with the baby niche, because there's a lot of stuff that people need and will buy for their kids. And again, as they get older, they graduate into different levels. Look at this. Pro tip here, most people, we actually didn't use one of these at all. We had one. And then if you want to get even more cute, you could talk about, we could say like, I think those are called bassinets. I think I spelled it wrong. Bassinet for twins. Like this. Hit enter. Now you could apply the same things that I'm teaching you and telling you to Amazon, but look at this. Delta Children by the Bed City Sleeper Bassinet for Twins. 7.3 thousand views, 2,000 subscribers. Top 5 best bassinet for twins in 2020. 2.4 thousand views, 32 subscribers. Apply what I'm telling you and you will be successful. Must have twin newborn essentials. Really, really good video because we were first-time parents and we had no idea what we needed. And people will tell you what you need, but you don't know what you actually need unless you are in it like we were. And so look at this. Must have twin newborn essentials, 25,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. So you put together a list of the 5 or 10 things that twin parents absolutely need, and you will be successful. You will earn commissions. And again, you can apply this to Amazon, but we're talking about Target today. Look at this one. Bassinet for twins. 198 views, 1,000 subscribers. You're getting in front of highly targeted people. We can talk about best strollers for twins. Another one for new, but look at all of these different ones. Best strollers for tall parents. Put together a list of strollers for people that are over 6'7", 280 views from 4 months ago. 201 views, and you can be successful. But most importantly, make sure that you are looking at the commission structure so that you're not just promoting stuff and not earning a commission. I really like the baby niche just because just because it's evergreen. You create content once or twice. Like these videos have been up for a number of years and they're still getting traffic and leads and sales.
Click the
Now that
first
you know
link
how
in the
to get
description
started
or
with the
go
target
to
affiliate program,
alstongodbolt.com
click the first link in the description or go to
for a free
alstongodbolt.com
training that shows you how
for a free
anyone
training
can
that shows
earn
you
a
step by step
full-time income
how you can earn
without
a
a
full-time
huge
income
following on
online
social
without a
media,
huge following on
a
social
large
media,
mailing list,
without spending
or
a dime on
even
paid ads,
paid
or
ads.
even a large
Click
mailing
the
list.
first link
Click
in
the
the
first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube tells you it will help you grow your online business.